A new day is about to dawn, and as we delve into what makes MSC our cruise company of choice, we want to share some of the special tidbits that has endeared, they've all endeared us to them, and the list keeps growing. You know, MSC is a family owned company and it has sailed the high seas for generations. Dare I say, over 300 years. And you know, being a family owned company, the aim has been to transform vacations as we know it, providing a journey of unforgettable memories as they take us to faraway lands, discovering exotic cultures, uncovering intriguing customs, and learning about what keeps those persons in those lands alive and vibrant. But then, if you want to see the world, why not see it in style? MSC constantly expands her fleet, and by November of 2019, she will have 17 new ships, the most modern and innovative ships at sea. And I can tell you, I have been on some of them. MSC is just so awesome, so wild. And we're heading out 2 times at least for 2019 on the MSC Meraviligia. I think we will call this installment MSC Live. Why not? We're looking at the MSC Meraviligia, and we already have group space blocked just for you on 2 iconic sailing options. So we are departing from New York the 28th of October. That's 2019. And we still have a few cabins available, but they will sell fast. Listen to this itinerary. So, right there in Times Square, we're gonna have a wonderful time just for a day or two doing New York the way New Yorkers do New York and the way New York should be done. And then right there in Manhattan, we will depart for the Caribbean. And guys, this is going to be amazing. Remember, we are aboard the MSC Meraviglia. We'll sail 3 days at sea, fun activities. We just need to point you in the right direction because there's so much happening aboard the MSC Meraviglia. You are really going to take advantage of these 3 days at sea, getting the spa time in, taking advantage of all that's available. We'll talk about some of the things that you can do on board while we journey to our first port of call, which is Phillipsburg, St. Martin. St. Martin is excellent for shopping, excellent duty-free opportunities. We'll guide you through that. Don't worry about it. Port de France, Martinique. We did a video some time ago on Martinique, and we're so excited to be able to bring you there. So for those lovers of the Caribbean who have always wanted to go off to the other islands, Eastern Caribbean, those that are more towards the Lesser Antilles, ones that we don't see and hear and encounter as often as we'd like to, this definitely is your sailing. St. Martin, we're going to be there all day, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Can't miss it. Bridgetown, Barbados comes next. And this is the land of the flying fish, isn't it? So we pull into Bridgetown, Barbados, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. We are going to see all that is there for you to do. Don't worry, your excursions will be covered by us. We'll point you in the right direction, matching the trip to your taste. And then it's on to the Spice Island of Grenada, St. George's. I've never been there, but I know that one of my preferred all-inclusive properties opened there a few years ago. I shan't call that name right now, but hint, hint, hint. Let's see, maybe one of you can tell me what property I will be hanging out at when we pull into St. George's, Grenada. And if it wasn't good enough, it gets better, because Williamstead, Curacao is where we will be spending our only night time. Or actually, we have two night times, but this is big because Curacao is vibrant with activity and life and color. We pull in there at 1 p.m. and we have all afternoon into evening to explore, to shop, and to really, really enjoy Curacao. We sail from there 11 p.m., guys. You need to take in the culture, take in the food, take in the activities, and live like a local. Or instead, Aruba will welcome us early the following day, and this is a full 12-day experience. And then after all of that, we do need a sea day or two just to rewind, revitalize, and to get ready for the Ocean Key MSC Marine Reserve in the Bahamas. So much to tell about the reserve, guys. We're gonna have to do that as a standalone program. But we are on the Meraviligia for 2019 MSC. You are gonna love it. We pull into Miami on the 10th of November, just in time to take in a little shopping if we didn't shop enough already. And South Beach is calling, so we will be doing a Biscayne Bay yacht tour, not to be missed. You need to book that early. And then it's on to South Beach for the rhythms, on to Little Havana. You have got to stay with us for the duration. We have got everything covered. It's Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun.